Good day, mate. Good morning and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
As a lot of you guys know, we should be adventuring around Canada in this very van, but unfortunately we are stuck in the UK, but we are determined to make the most of it.
Yeah, so when you're travelling you can't do certain things very easily, like gut your van and do some renovations, so we thought this is the perfect time to do that. We're going to take everything out. We definitely have stuff we don't need in here, even though I did do a bit of a cleanse when we were in Portugal.
You did.
We've definitely got crap that we don't need in here, and also getting rid of everything gives us a chance to just make sure that everything's okay as well.
And the sun's shining, it feels like we're in Portugal, it's amazing weather, and we better get on with it.
We've got a ton of crap in here. I don't understand where it all came from, but really weird stuff. I've got some trainers that I need to return, stuff that needs to go to a charity shop, and just bits that we don't really need, and we need to clear it out.
Random can of paint.
Because Theo's getting a mountain bike.
Sultan glove.
Yeah, that actually needs to be used.
Oh, it smells really nice.
It is Coco and Eve, it's brilliant.
Yeah, Bee mentioned that I'm getting a new mountain bike and I'm so excited, but we need to make room in the garage area for that bike because otherwise we won't be able to take it to Canada when we can finally travel.
We don't actually know if it'll fit either, do we?
We don't know whether it's going to fit, but it should turn up in the next few days and we will soon find out. Might need to make some modifications in the garage.
Like many tasks you put off for massive amounts of time, we were finally face to face with the back-breaking ordeal of gutting the garage. Prior to this challenge, we did a group high five to ready ourselves for this endeavour and got to work removing all of the random items we'd lobbed in there over the years. This is the sum of our garage. We've got so much stuff in here that we don't need. It's ridiculous.
Apart from finding a really shriveled up mushroom that I don't know how long it's been in here, I found 2 of these and we're running dry in the house of fruit juice, so this is really good. We are secret preppers, and my skateboard, so I'm going to try a little trick, see if I still got it. So the plan is to kickflip over this little shriveled up mushroom that I found in the back of the van. You ready? Yes. So I'm gonna come clean. I didn't land that first time, and I think the second time I tried it, I actually ended up in a bush and Bee missed it on camera, and now I am using some of these to get all the splinters from the bush out of my hand. But anyway, it was, I'm glad I landed it, even if it was really bad.
So the next step, we've done the garage, which was boring. This is the bit I've been looking forward to, gutting the living area. So all the cushions are coming out, and I don't know if you can tell, but this one was washed and this one wasn't. So I'm going to be washing these as well, which is something that I find incredibly exciting. Ourselves, Ginjey Bear and countless guests have sat on these cushions, resulting in a fairly decent build-up of dirt. They're in need of a wash. I can't actually believe it. You can see how much the sun has stained the wood. You can see like where the magazine rack is and where the cushions have been, the different colour of the wood from being in the sun. How crazy is that? I just found my tea towels.
Really? Where were they?
They were all up here, all the clean ones.
It does not feel homely anymore, does it?
No. You should show them this.
Ah, check this out, guys. The Indie Projects Toblerone. How cool is that? Yeah, sitting here.
That sounded really painful.
Feels really odd because obviously there's no cushions, and it just shows how much soft furnishings and stuff like that help make it that homely environment. Because right now, even these fake little plastic plants, these are great.
We've got pieces of insulation.
Why?
Just from when we did the roof, we must have trimmed it. And then we were just like, oh, we'll clean that another time. Never cleaned it.
I do love our home now. What is that?
A bit of like edging or something.
Bee just found a random bit of edging that must have been from when we did the build and we just forgot about it, and it's just on top of the cupboard. This is why you tidy your van, guys. I'm going to be honest, when Bee approached me and said that she wanted to completely gut the van and clean it out, I wasn't really on board. I was really up for like doing the painting and doing bits of, you know, revamps around the van to make it really feel fresh again. But the actual cleaning, I wasn't up for it. But actually, while we're doing it right now, it's quite therapeutic and I'm quite enjoying it. And Ginger's wondering where her litter tray is. She keeps looking through the hole. What's up? Where are you off to?
As with the garage, we have used our bedroom cupboards as a dumping ground for notebooks, pens and even empty bottles of water. I blame Theo for that. We're making good progress. The bedroom area is now completely gutted. All I need to do is clean it basically and take the mattress out. Let me show you the cabinets, totally empty. This is giving me big van build vibes right now. It looks so naked, and there's spots here that you can see that I'm looking forward to paint over. This is where one of my necklaces has swung when we're driving and literally got rid of the paint, so that totally needs covering and I'm actually really excited about that. And then we've also got a lone cotton bud, so this is all going to get cleaned out.
The really cute thing about Ginjey is whenever we do things like this in the van, she has to hang around us and try and help out. But I think she's got a little bit tired because she's just headed up to her bedroom and now she's having a nap in her little nook. How cute does she look up here? I love that she's adopted this shelf as her space. It's such a wonderful area for her and she spends so much time up there now. And if you're wondering about this big ketchup stain, yes, Ginjey knocked our curtain off into a dirty bowl of food.
So first things first, we're going to take the mattress out, which is going to be pretty interesting because it's really heavy. I think it's about 23 kilos.
I don't know about you guys, but it looks so strange now there's no mattress on there. It's bizarre. Everything's empty. Look at that. Crazy. Completely bare. And this system that we installed are just slats from IKEA and I cannot recommend them enough. They've been absolutely amazing. They're so comfortable.
The moment I've been waiting for since I decided we were going to gut the van and do all of this stuff is finally here. Theo's just getting the hoover from the house and I'm going to hoover all those cupboards, all down the side of the bed, under the bed, absolutely everywhere. It's so sad that I'm this excited to hoover, but trust me, we can't have a hoover in the van, so this is like a dream come true. Check it out, we've got a Harry the Hoover.
Is it called Harry?
Yeah,
No.
it's called Harry.
What?
It's green. If it was red, it would be Henry.
That is big. I've never seen a Harry before.
Yeah. There's a Henrietta as well, the pink version. So look, check it.
All the nozzles.
All the nozzles.
And before Bee starts to hoover, can we just all appreciate how beautiful our kitchen is? This kitchen will never get old to me. It's so perfect.
This is the bit I've been waiting for, giving everything a deep clean, including Theo. What are you doing?
You look like you're enjoying it too much.
No, this is so therapeutic. Honestly, I've been wanting to do this for years.
We've only had the van like a year.
Yeah, but even when we were doing the van conversion, we didn't have a hoover most of the time, so it was all hand sweeping, and this is a game changer.
We've literally just had an Amazon delivery and we think it is stuff to do with our van renovation, so we're pretty excited. We've been waiting a while for this, but you need to handle with care. So I need to clean the package before we open it. Right, so the package is now decontaminated really, really well. See what's inside?
Cat food?
Cat food. That is not what we need to do this van renovation.
Ginjey, it's for you. I thought it was paint. She doesn't even care. At least it's clean and safe. Sadly, that was not the supplies we need to get cracking, so we can't actually go any further. Like, we can hoover and stuff, but we haven't got anything to do any work with, just cat food.
We can clean to our heart's content, but I'm not getting involved with that.
No.
I'm all up for the painting, but the scrubbing and cleaning, I don't think I'm willing to do that.
Just remember that everyone is watching that Theo said he'll do the painting, so let's make sure you're doing the painting.
Oh, well, I'm a good painter.
Are you?
I am.
Okay, we shall see.
But yeah, make sure you tune in next week, because hopefully our Amazon deliveries will appear and we can actually start painting and getting this van looking as slick as it usually does.
Slick!